once again.
What's up, guys? Move the car back to the shade. We're gonna be removing the front fenders, the bumper, and as well as the dashboard. All right, guys, I'll be starting off with a dash removal. We're gonna need a 7mm. Well, I have this ratcheting flex head wrench from Matco, and that's the part number. Also, we're gonna need a 14mm and a 11mm. Either you can use the ratchet or the impact gun. So there's a bolt right there, right here. I found this good to use for this, for hard to get places. Fox body cells, and then your 14 for the steering wheel right there. Two on the other side, and 2 more on the front. Where is it at? Right there. Here's the other bolt inside. It's this one right here. You can see it through over here. That's gonna be for this side. All right, next I'll be removing the wires from the ignition switch and the rest of the wires. All right, now with the wires removed, we're gonna remove these two and the back two. It's better if you have a second person to help you with the dash. While taking off the air distribution box from the dash, I found some cards. Haven't opened them yet. So this one's from City of Schultz, Texas. Schultz, Texas. Scared to rip it. It has a PO box and scared. Alright, I already took off the paper clip. So John E. Bierschwale. Some PO box number. Mike Taylor.